Hi everyone. Oh, this is Lyman. He'll start for us.
That's okay. Greetings, everyone. Lyman Montgomery here. I am so excited to, first of all, remind everyone don't forget this Sunday, get focused with Lyman at 4 p.m. We're going to be talking about how to set profitable priorities. It's a three-part series, and you don't want to miss it. This Sunday, April the 2nd at 4 p.m. Now, today I have one of my clients here. Um, she has some great news. I'm so excited. We want to talk about the power of focus in getting results. The power of focus in getting results. Remember, focus is the number one ability that all leaders, all entrepreneurs, and all senior level career professionals must have in order to be successful. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, it doesn't matter necessarily what type of business that you're in. The ability to be able to focus is essential. And I'm going to kind of step back and let my client share some great information that she received. So Sonya, go ahead.
All right. Hi everyone. My name is Sonya Harding, and I have been a client of Lyman's for about 5 months. Lyman has done so much for me in my career and helping me get focused. He has brought out my inner rock star. I just found out that I'll now be over a second location, including my primary responsibilities. It's an amazing promotion, and it's thanks to working with Lyman, getting focused, um, working towards confidence and learning who you are, and it's great for your career. And I highly recommend that you get a coach, specifically Lyman, and so he can help
Yeah.
you bring out
Now
your
let's
inner
talk a
rock
little bit
star.
about when we first started working together. What was your confidence level?
Oh, my confidence is probably a 2 out of 10. My confidence wasn't great, but through having many sessions with you, working through, you know, things in the past that have been holding me back, I've found my focus, my confidence, and yeah, here I am.
And listen, this is what I want to share with you. Okay, when you have a coach, I have a coach. Most of you know, because I say it all the time, I have three primary coaches that I deal with. And I want to give a shout out to them. Number one, I'm often in contact with Trevor Otts and Shay Brown. They have revolutionized my life as far as helping me with strategies. So a shout out to Trevor Otts and Shay Brown of Peak Performance Institute in Washington, D.C. Also, many of you know that my good friend Mark Anthony Garrett. Mark Anthony Garrett was the one that coached me in really how to structure a framework around my business. And here's the advice that Mark Anthony Garrett gave me many years ago. Mark said, Lyman, focus on what you do best, outsource the rest. It literally changed the way that I was doing things. And the third coach that literally changed my life, and I am forever indebted, was my college professor, Dr. Francine Childs. Dr. Francine Childs was my mentor. We call her Mama Childs. And she taught me, and I still call Doc Childs, Mama Childs, even now, to help me understand the purpose of what it means to be successful, not just in business, in my career, but also in life. And I just want to encourage everyone, if you don't have a coach, get a coach,
Get a
get
coach.
a mentor.
Hmm.
It will make a world of difference. Don't forget, I will see you this Sunday, 4 p.m., as we talk about the power of setting profitable priorities. See you then. Take care. Any last words, Sonia?
No, get a coach. Get Lyman as your coach.
Thank you.
Thanks.